idiot is back. Come inside, idiot.
What did you guys?
I got the rosé. It is lime juice and some other stuff that I don't remember.
So we have a vodka infused with verbena, rosé wine from Provence, which gives the flower profile, Cocchi Rosa, which is a vermouth. The particularity of Cocchi Rosa is that it's infused with rose petals. Touch of lime, myrtle syrup, and soda. So it's quite refreshing, floral and citrus. Yours is Tanqueray number 10. The particularity is mixed with Sancerre, which is 90% Sauvignon Blanc instead of the dry vermouth. Clarified grapefruit juice and basil and pepper syrup made from us. So be herbal, spicy, dry, citrus.
You like what they call quarantina. That is double quarantination. Quarantination, which is the extended value of quarantine plus nation equals quarantination.
Enjoy, ladies.
Thank you. Y'all heard it. What? I said y'all heard it.
Like, it's not a costume party. It's just like what I wear. This is just me.
Let's show them our nails. You can't tell, but we have metallic nails.
They're like super. Look at that. Look.
I don't know if you guys heard, but the new rule at this bar is if you don't have your nails and your toes done, they literally won't let you in.
My toes are done.
You're disgusting.
If you don't have your nails done, they won't let you in. Just don't come.
You can go now.
Honestly, just
bless you. And fuck off.
get your nails done, ladies. I'm actually in love with your dress, Clara. Oh, my little...
I'm taking a video.
My titties are hitting tonight, but they look cute still. They're cute.
See, this is what I mean. Nimka can just keep going. I could sit here for 20 minutes and she would keep going. She just like can keep hitting the spot.
Only if she had told you that she's a billionaire's daughter. Period.
Way.
Nepotism, maybe.
We both got a perlage, right?
Yeah, one of them is yours and
Okay, I'm at 51. 42 divided by... No, 40. Yes, it's hot. It's so hot. You got the length of your hair.
Alright, we're finally going to the club. I'm fucking going home. She's going to work, guys.
That's kind of messed up.
Nobody saw that. Tonight, we're going to the circus. Okay?
Have a good night, girl.
Thank you. Toodaloos. Toodaloo.
So how do you like the red room?
It was really classy, honestly.
Yeah, it is very classy.
The first time I saw it was Pinterest, guys. And now I've lived out my dreams. Burner Boy, you're on my Pinterest, nigga. Where you at?
Where's he at?
Where you at?
Where's the after party?
Where the party at?
Where's the booze?
Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised.